See it now, them roast. See it there? Lobster in a plate and lobster in a roast and dip. See it there? Roast and dip we are talking about. See lobster in a roast and dip. So you see, I don't know fake thing. See it there? Alright, look on the fire now. See it there? One leaf on the fire. Yeah? And see the man there, see the great man there. People, you see when I tell you about one of the man who used to go keep me, what we call the great yellow. See me, we finally find him. See me? And the great yellow this. The man is named Fish Killer. When you hear about Fish Killer, see one of them there. Look how simple him is. Yeah man, the man don't ramp with the sea. When you say hope you see, the man is me ready. I him that. See it here now. Alright, so I don't know lighting. Vice! You know, say the oldest and the baddest and the rustiest, man. You know, have to ask that. Say him. That is the man. Oh, you mean? And we are enjoy it. See there? I want to some guy attack and I don't know what happened to them. But me not attack. I just go eat some lobster. Yeah. He starts video. Alright people, nothing I lie me I tell you, I have nothing I fake thing. See me I go get down in it you know.
Mash up thing.
See me I go mash you up you know. See,
mash up thing anyway.
Yeah, see it you know.
Strippings. See that I boss that you know. Real boss. Yeah man, bigger brother you know. Full joy you split my big brother man. Every time man, yes man. This is a paradise. This is a paradise man. Yes man. Real good deal. Big deal. You see that? You see that? Mind where you are doing a bridge, you breathe somebody look more.
No.
You see everybody go on, fish still there on fire, lobster still there on fire, my own. What's the thing then, man? A piece sitting there go on this bed than normal, man. It's sweetie boy, you know, easy at all. Anytime you don't mash up this place, I'll come home and somebody get mashed. Jeez, peace. Everybody say you get come from, man. Get mashed. Boss, yo, boss in the corner there, man. Jeez, peace. Boss in the corner there, man. Boss in the corner.
Eh? What one do you want?
Alright, so.
What the man go on there?
Boss, I get to film sitting here now, man. Jacka, that in the boss, you know. Jesus.
Yeah, watch it, Tyler.
Well, it's a good look.
Watch him.
Well, it's a good look.
Yeah.
It's a good look.
Watch him.
It's a good look.
Right.
Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Yeah, man. Look on brother there, but, man, it's a good look, man. Everything up here nice, man. Yeah. So we also know Starboy, where you think I go? Alright, sir, that we want for you. Put up your finger up there, man, make you feel like say up. Alright, straight up.
Because when he go up, I can't find him, you know. And then he gone, such a lady. Yeah, my favorite from such a lady, man.
You want what? I say thing go.
You don't such a lady no run for beating, man.
Nah, I bed go.
I bed you out here. And I bed not so good, you know. And I bed not so good. You have to be on top of it. You have to be on top of things, man.
Alright, people,
yeah,
see
man,
this?
see it?
It's not an onion person.
In, man.
So I take off the onion. And I put on the tomato.
You see that?
And I put on a cucumber. Where's the cucumber now? Yeah, I put on a cucumber. And I put on the next piece of okra on top. And the dressing complete. So the dressing complete.
One lick that, you know. One lick that. Oh, sweetie boy, me I tell you. Yeah. You know the paradise. You know the paradise. One more time again. One more time again. You know the paradise. I want to make a boss run, man.
That one is smoke.
That one, yes, man. Yes, man. I want to go war and come back, man. 1914 war, come back again. Yes, man, enjoyment, man. And look at bourbon now for taste, man. You cannot go on, so, man. You cannot go on, so. Yes.
Whoa.
Spirit calm down.
Thank you, boy. Thank you, brother.
Man. I feel that now.
Can't pause, I'm put you on.
Yeah, all right. Right.